After an extensive, year-long upgrade, the Museum of Art and Design at Miami Dade College has reopened with a refocused vision and restored space, leaving the museum better positioned than ever to bring significant exhibitions and programs to Miami. Located within MDC's National Historic Landmark Freedom Tower in downtown Miami, this space has evolved into a museum without boundaries, using art and design to tackle social issues that are relevant to Miami.
When I came to the university, I heard someone saying that the classroom for Miami-Dade College was the city and the community. And I thought that was a fantastic mission for the museum. So we attempt to formulate a vision that really reflects those values of Miami-Dade College, and also issues that for any art institution that really respond more compellingly to the contemporary times where we are.
The inaugural exhibition, By the People, Designing a Better America, lives up to this mission. Organized by the Cooper Hewitt Smithsonian American Design Museum, the exhibit features 60 design projects that explore the challenges faced by communities across the U.S. and its bordering countries, including poverty, immigration, race, and inclusion.
The curator in New York, Cynthia Smith, spent 2.5 years traveling around the United States to find these projects, and they're basically answering her questions on how design can help Americans solve their problems.
Visitors can even participate through the exhibit's design lab, where they are empowered to identify Miami-centric issues and examine solutions for improving quality of life. MOAD's new initiative, Museum Without Boundaries, moves out from the walls of the institution and into the city to connect art, performance, and public programs to Miami's daily life. The program commenced in January with Living Together, an exciting cross-disciplinary series that includes thoughtful and challenging performances and exhibitions. The culminating program is an immersive 8-channel video installation titled More Sweetly Play the Dance. More than 130 feet long, the exhibit encircles the viewer in a carnivalesque look at mortality, and ultimately becomes a celebration of resilience and life.
The work of Kentridge is very much about inclusion and acceptance of people, of bridging the things that separate us as human beings. But it also, at the end, it's really about resilience and life and reaffirming hope for people.
In addition to the museum's exhibitions, visitors to the Freedom Tower can connect with local culture through various permanent installations. The highly anticipated Kislak Center opened in May, a permanent 2,600 square foot exhibition space showcasing extraordinary objects including rare books, maps, manuscripts, pre-Columbian artifacts, and other historic materials.
So this is very exciting for us, and it's exciting for the students to be able to come here and look at these objects firsthand. It's fascinating, so people can see the whole history of Central and Latin America as it affected the States and vice versa.
Made possible by a donation from the J.I. Kislak Foundation and assembled over many decades, the collection is considered one of the most important of its kind in the United States. The inaugural exhibition Culture and Change in the Early Americas includes Maya art, the first atlas devoted to the Americas, and a first edition of a 1493 letter written by Christopher Columbus. Just a few steps away, MDC's newly renovated Cuban Legacy Gallery presents Cuban Streams, 1855 to 1965, a multimedia installation by the Miami artist Cesar Trasovares. The installation features over 1,000 captivating and immersive photo and video projections that highlight the history of the island nation from the collection of Ramiro Fernandez.
This exhibition was overwhelming for me personally. I've seen, since I've lived in Miami, many photographs of Cubans and Cuba. This is unique because the photographs are very, very old, some of them, and so there's 5 or 6 different images on the screen at all times. You sit on the bench and you're just lost in this world that no longer exists. It's really overwhelming. There are 1,200 images of children, of performers, famous politicians, buildings that no longer exist. And I think people are going to really enjoy that exhibition.
In addition to these exhibits, the museum will host a number of lectures and events to further the conversation and understanding of these exhibits through September. To learn more about these and upcoming exhibits and events, as well as the historic Freedom Tower, Visit www.mdcmoad.org.
And this is pretty much what we try to do here. To bring more civic engagement, to help to think Miami together, to try to see if we can make a more powerful movement, the college, the city, the museum, all of us.
There's plenty to see and experience in the museum, and this is only the beginning in an exciting lineup of events to come. Please make sure you visit soon, as these exhibits will only be available for a limited time. For MDC in Focus, I'm Giovanni Delfa.